catching feelings, baby. Give me feelings. You give it.
Pleasant good morning to all my beautiful viewers and subscribers. And guys, I'm out this morning taking a stroll, early morning stroll through the park. It's a beautiful morning, as you can see. Nice sunshine. The weather is nice. Everything is nice. So come along with me, guys. Look at the beautiful scenery, guys. Yeah, that's my husband there walking. We're taking a stroll, all the morning walk. So it's fair for me to bring you guys with me. It's very nice out here. Very nice and sunny. So what's up with you guys? What's up? What's up? Guys, I love the support that you guys are showing me on my YouTube channel. I appreciate you a lot. So stick and stay with me, guys. Continue to support my channel as I take my YouTube channel to another level, step by step. Yes, so we're walking through our neighborhood. Early morning walk. Early morning walk, guys.
There might be two homeless guys there,
Huh, really? Oh. Well, everywhere homeless people there, no, Papa. Trust me. It's so sad. It's a very bad situation when you don't have nowhere to sleep. Especially winter they near. Sad, sad, sad. And this is a first world country. Man, I'm pushing cars, so now start. Early morning walk. You walk with the water, Papa. Here. Yeah, dew start fall now. So you know it falls. And then winter. It's a nice and sunny Saturday morning. People, they still have fix up their garden though. Couple weeks from now, everything turn red, burn down, frost. So you guys stick and stay tuned with us walking through this beautiful neighborhood. Which way are we heading, Pa? And Papa? Which way are we heading to? Okay. Go down where? Where say you're walking to? No, I did not hear what you said.
walking down to TD Bank.
TD Bank? You're crazy. You crazy. Oh, if I walk in that body. That's a lot of walking. The amount of walk at Niagara Falls the other day. I don't know my foot them pain up. I don't know my foot them pain up, guys. Just me. Look at the place beautiful. Look at that. Look at this beautiful tree here, guys. Love nature, guys. Listening to the birds. Listening to the birds. Look at this beautiful neighborhood here. Just stick and stay, guys, and watch where I go. Welcome back. We're still on the walking. We're still on the walking, guys. Squirrel them out. I don't know about nobody but me love nature. Bad. Yes. It's like we go to one forest, see, Papa? Look at a squirrel. Sure. The squirrel. Happy a hopscotch. Look at the squirrel, guys. He's eating. Look at that. Nice early morning scenery, guys. I'm enjoying my morning walk. Enjoying my morning walk. Good morning. Yeah. It's beautiful. So far school reach. I want different one that. The birds, the squirrel. I love wildlife. You have something in thy mouth I run with. Watch him. Oh, this is Bouvier, Maine, in Brampton, the city of Brampton, Canada. Yeah. Okay. Them have to save this stuff, something them for winter. Wow, you're the birds. Listen to the nature, guys. Listen to this. Wow. Amazing. This is what I'm talking about. Get some peace of mind. Wow. Very amazing. Listen to the birds, guys. This is what nature is all about. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Look at the birds. Look at the birds, guys. This is so amazing. I love wildlife. So guys, as you can see, we're still on our journey walking, and we're just going down by the bank there, the green and white building. That's the TD Bank, and then we head back home. No, not home, we're going by the lakeside, so stay tuned for that one. So I'm gonna end my video right here. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do so. Hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I go live or I upload a new video. Peace out.